Sorry about that. So today, I had the brakes on my car fixed. What a concept. When you step on the brakes, your car actually stops. And without all the sound of metal scraping, according to the mechanic, sparks flying, who knew? So, this pollen is terrible. But anyway, when you've been going to a service place that just constantly tells you need thousands of dollars worth of work, you tend to block all of that out. And then you get no work done on your car, and that's not safe. But hopefully today I found an honest place that did just what they said they were going to do, and said let them know when I'm ready for something else to be done. So I've got 6 months of interest-free financing. Which helped a lot. One of my kids did offer to pay for the repairs, which, wow, how amazing is that? But that's too much. Anyway, I have peace knowing that my brakes work and they'll continue to work for a long time. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.